Corvette Summer Movie Car is an iconic piece of automotive and cinematic history with a story that begins in the late 1970s. The film Corvette Summer, released in 1978, starred Mark Hamill, fresh off his role as Luke Skywalker in Star Wars. Hamill played Kenny Dantley, a high school senior who builds a custom Corvette as a class project, only to have it stolen, leading him on a journey to Las Vegas to recover it. The car itself started as a 1973 Corvette with a 350 cubic inch L48 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission. It was discovered in a junkyard after a rear-end collision and was deemed a total loss. Producer Matthew Robbins and director Hal Barwood saw potential in the wrecked Corvette and handed it over to Dick Korks of Korky's Kustom Studios for a complete transformation. Korks created an unforgettable machine with extreme custom bodywork, including fender flares, giant air scoops, a wild paint job, and custom side pipes. Notably, the car was converted to right-hand drive so the driver could get closer to girls on the sidewalk, achieved using sprockets and a chain from a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. The plot of Corvette Summer is simple yet far-fetched. Kenny completes the customization in his high school shop class. The car is stolen, and he hitchhikes to Las Vegas to retrieve it. Along the way, he meets Vanessa, played by Annie Potts, a self-described who eventually falls for Kenny. Despite the film's mixed reviews, with critics like Frank Rich of Time magazine noting the lack of credible plot developments, the Corvette itself became a star. 2 movie cars were built for the film, both 1973 models. The main car was often displayed during the film's publicity tour and was later sold to private parties. One of the cars was altered by an Australian collector, and an original mold of the car is now part of the National Corvette Museum's collection. Mike Yeager of Mid-America Motor Works also owned one of the cars at some point. In recent years, a 1977 Corvette Stingray, allegedly made for the film, surfaced for sale. This car features a tilt hood, a front end resembling a Polynesian war canoe, and a huge bow tie grafted in place of the original taillights. It runs a built 350 cubic inch displacement engine and a 4-speed transmission. The seller claims it has 44,000 original miles and has spent most of its life on display in museums, including the Imperial Palace in Las Vegas. The sale includes the original license plate, signed by Annie Potts, a framed movie poster, and a certificate of authenticity from the Barris Star collection. However, the authenticity of this 1977 model is questioned, as the original movie cars were 1973 models. The seller asks for $100,000, making documentation and verification crucial for potential buyers. Despite the film's modest success, the Corvette Summer Movie Car remains a symbol of 1970s custom car culture. Its unique design and storied history continue to captivate enthusiasts, making it a standout piece in any collection. Whether considered the ugliest or the epitome of cool, the Corvette from Corvette Summer is a testament to the creativity and passion of its creators.